Advocates hope that a bill signed by Governor Roy Cooper will help provide much needed relief and help families of overdose victims.
Yeah, the measure creates stronger penalties for drug distribution that could lead to felony charges. CBS 17's Mariah Ellis is live digging deeper into why this new piece of legislation is receiving both support and concern.
In 2021, the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services reported a 22% jump in drug overdoses and reported more than 4,000 people who lost their lives from drugs just like fentanyl. I did reach out to one mother who says this is also how she lost her son. It's been nearly 7 years. Vanessa Sapp still holds on to the pain.
It was a difficult time.
The Onslow County mother says she lost her 21-year-old son, Jason, an A student and MVP athlete, to a drug overdose in 2016. He was given fentanyl. Sapp, among families sharing opioid concerns to lawmakers earlier in the year, is hopeful a Senate bill signed into law Thursday will help families in similar situations find closure. The bill not only adds stricter penalties to those distributing lethal substances like heroin and fentanyl, including higher fines and prison time, but also expands the state's death by distribution law.
Back then, you had to have so much evidence.
Every step forward in the fight against these illegal drugs is a positive step.
Eddie Caldwell, executive vice president of the North Carolina Sheriff's Association, says they made the bill a high priority item for this year's legislature, not only to help prosecute and deter lethal drugs, but also focus on victims and their families.
The current law for death by distribution requires there to be a sale of the drugs that killed the victim.
Lee Storo with the Community Education Group believes the bill broadens the law significantly.
So it doesn't go just after people who sell drugs, but if you're someone who simply shares drugs that result in death, you can be charged with a crime.
Storo worries changes to the criminal justice system, instead of taking steps to address the public health crisis, will not solve the problem, possibly making people more hesitant to call for help in an overdose emergency. Storo also says that he hopes to see a greater expansion of the Good Samaritan law, which he says protects individuals who are trying to get help in an emergency situation. In Raleigh, Mariah Ellis, CBS 17 News.
All right, Mariah, thank you.